Benada sierin bende winjo na pachi kotende kod mak nikech ang'eni nyaka sani piny owacho bende nitiere gi dwaro mano mar dino bugni mana kaka Mercy osewacho jok moko osebedo ka kwepo chulo osuru mar mondo mi gichulo osuru. Aneno ka Mbadi bende wacho ni kaluwore kod lokruok ma kamagi igeno ne Kenya Revenue Authority mano duol mochung' ne choko osuru e pacho ka biro bedo ka choko additional iwacho ni another 105 billion kapo ni buge ma kamagi odin.
Erokamano Sharon. Koro kwa ng'iyo wach tax ni nitiere wanjangi impact mare in the economy. One of your partially I can agree with my colleague CPA Mercy, but also partly I disagree on part of mar nini basic commodities gi. Could one when the prices go remain low. The issue will be do you exempt them or do you zero rate? Of course there's been that concern. Maybe misuse mar refunds. But because systems to properly, to maber, to undergo many it's more revenue projections ka. Get calculate the refunds. Within the VAT system, so that in the long run, can't zero rated. To use only the producers they claim that input. Fully competitive, free competitive market. To now the benefits jopiny in terms of prices so much hiked up. Could again a balancing act. Mundoangi no wache. Watch get reduce ginama claims mag VAT refunds. But in a very delicate issue, yeah. It also depends on how the effects. Like let's say a good example in the horticulture market. Horticulture market in totality, in terms of revenue, in terms of employment, employed in that sector, and then these are multinational companies. The tax environment is not favorable. Is what? Just move to the next door. Very clearly. To something. What about block that's zero rating? Claim their VAT. To get lose those kind of investments. Balanced. Issue mar kere making it efficient. Yeah, I agree. I agree the CS. Man is an area man they can really give kere a bit more efficient in the collection. Can some small things maybe need to be changed increase the revenue. Because the main focus and how to increase the tax base. A good example in mind then issue special table. Take one special table VAT. My number of traders are really complaining. In the process, trader okete a special table, no charge of VAT. To such a business model, we not VAT painter or inactivated to some transactions. Kere still going to lose that element. Pesa moko be collectible. Yet, katakanga to file the nil returns. When you file nil returns for 1 year or 2 years, but in the next year, get a business. Punish only for this period no business file nil return.
Dona neno ka negi choro nyime nikech kaluwore kod Mbadi odwaro mar mondo mi chor nyime gi 6 months iwacho ni tax amnesty gi 6 months mar mondo mi ochiw thuolo ne jo Kenya mar mondo mi file returns mag nikech wacho ni mane yo mabende piny owacho bende biro bedo ka yudo godo usuru.
Okay, issue kaka amnesty is okay is kinyalo made mondo track jomoko maybe not chulo usuru and that kind of thing mondo come up. Yeah. To now initiative magiketo hinder collection of tax. Yet the kage code efficient system mondo bene ng'iyoni ngani kata ko file new returns verify is it are those new returns correct or not. as opposed to kete gimangilogo special table. Koro get a special table, then deactivate that pin. Koro get a special table cha. Ngani collect sangono VAT. Yeah. Koro that way, there's a way magibile giluzu go taxes kai. Koro maga things in my mind. Get simple things manye nyalo tem administratively. Tokocho nya get a finance introduce a finance bill. Wanyalong yo the acts themselves. Wanyalong yo let's say wanyalong yo Kere Act or wanyalong yo Tax Procedures Act. Just look at the specific issue. At the same time. In fact, my advice is, when I advise the government, they should just look at few things with maximum impact, as opposed to yeah. When you Tax Procedures Act, okay. We should change amendments like the Tax Procedures Act, team to increase the efficiency of our collection. Then we just bring it as amendment to the Tax Procedures Act as opposed to introducing another finance bill.